And good morning to everyone out there. How's everybody doing? It's a beautiful, beautiful Sunday morning here. Sunday. Geez, I lost my time. Uh, Wednesday morning. It is Wednesday morning here in the Philippines. It's going to be warm out. How is everybody doing out there? See, we got some people already in the room. We're going to hold off on our topic for a little bit. Let's let people come in, let people join. Um, so how is everybody? Bruce, how you doing, Bruce? Good morning to you. Hector, good morning, Hector. Stacy Dixon, hello, Stacy Dixon. How are you doing? How's the sound? How's the video look? Hopefully, we have no issues today with the internet here. Kevin, how you doing this morning? Brian Simpson, how are you doing this morning? Walter Brodus, I guess that's how you say it. How are you? Thomas Stewart. Hi, Brian. Lake Erie, PA here. Thomas, I don't know. Did you get all that snow? Wasn't there a big snowstorm that ran through? Like over? I don't know. Some areas it was feet and feet full of snow. God, I don't miss that at all. That's one thing I don't miss here in the Philippines. Moving here is the snow. Dealing with the snow, dealing with your shoveling. Do not miss it. However, I've always said I wouldn't mind one day of snow here. Just one day, let it snow, enjoy it, have fun in it, and then the next day, I'll be going and back up to mid 80s. But man, that was crazy. John Brentford, how are you doing this morning? Daryl Charity, shout out to Daryl Charity. How's Daryl Charity? Jim, how you doing, Jim? Brent, how you doing, Brent? Everybody wants to talk about the topic right away. We're going to wait. We're going to ease into the topic. Allow more people to enter the chat and allow more people to come in. William Murphy, how's it going? It is always warm in the Philippines. When it gets to, and it's been here in this area, it's dropped down to, to 70s. And it's funny because you'll see people with jackets on and sweaters on and, jeans, and they're cold. I had a laugh because first time it got down close to 70 here, I was like cold. And then I thought to myself, this is crazy. 70's warm. Now you get up in Baguio, up in that area, and it's going to be cooler. I guess it's all where you want to live here. Now, there's no place here where you're going to live in the Philippines where it's going to snow. However, there are places where if you can't stand the heat, you can move to different areas here. Matter of fact, I had a good friend that I work with I wouldn't say he's a great friend, but a friend, an associate that I work with in the prison. And he retired over here, moved over here, and he moved up to Baguio because he didn't want to deal with the heat. Hello in the Philippines. How are you doing? King B Stacker. Hello, King B Stacker. I'm seeing a lot of names that I haven't seen. John from San Antonio, how are you doing? Station in Guam. Hello from Florida. Chris Nash, good morning. How's the little camera working? This little guy right here? Working pretty good. I got a cover for it now. I didn't know that. I didn't know they made covers. So I took black magic marker and colored it black. And then my buddy Philo tells me, oh, yeah, they make covers for it. So I got a cover for it. It's okay. It has its purpose. Let's put it that way. It's not a camera I will vlog with every day, but it does have its purposes for certain things. But nice little camera. Edward and Nita riding in the Philippines. Good morning to you guys. El Hero, what's the beef about? Brian Smith. Bruce Tolan. Good sound, good picture. Thank you. Charles, we even got Charles Bronson in here. Hey, Charles Bronson. How you doing, Charles? Sean Ryan from Tampa, Florida. How you doing? We've got 219 people in here. Oh, we're dropping. We're dropping off. I'm not getting to the topic quick enough. Mark C. Lancaster, PA. How's things in Lancaster? I used to love going to Lancaster and going down there and going to the markets, the Amish markets down there, getting some good pastries and good pies. And down at Shady Maple, the smorgasbord, used to love going there. Rodney Goins, Leesburg, Florida. How are you doing? Adam says, greetings from Vancouver, Canada. Snowing now. Damian Miza, magandang umaga to you also. Lee Hill, good morning. Good video and audio. Cool. Thank you. Richard from Minnesota, 18 degrees. They got like 7 foot of snow up in Buffalo. Wow. Crazy. I couldn't imagine that. And if it's that wet snow, it's terrible. Buffalo, 72 inches. Wow. Okay, that was Buffalo. Northeast USA got 6 foot. Rusty in the Philippines. Good morning, sir. I briefly met you on November 1st at Phillies. I apologize for calling you Philly. Brian, keep up the good work. That's all right. I mean, people call me Philly or Phil or Brian. Just don't call me late for dinner, huh? Right? Ba-da-ba-bum. Bobby, how you doing, Bobby? I'm sorry. I'm behind. The advertisement just ended. What did I miss? Snow at CJ abroad. It snowed here for a day and a half. The country would die. Nah, they wouldn't die. They'd find a way around it. You know, Filipinos always adapt to whatever's going on, right? With a smile on their face, too. Traveling hobo. How you doing? Gene Strickland, William Murphy. And I can't get through the all these greetings from everybody. Gene Strickland, I'm going to ELO this April 2023. Enjoy, have a good time, take it all in. Kelly Fletcher, good morning. Bataan, come on down. We'll get down there. Where are we at? Wow. Jay White, what's up, Philly? Here's a breakfast and coffee on me. Tell Lut hello. Thank you, Jay. Thank you for the kind contribution. What is an e-bagger? We're going to get into that. We're going to get it. John Doe. When am I coming down to Mindanao? Good question. Maybe this upcoming summer. I know Lut wants to go back down there to visit her family, go to her dad's grave site. She hasn't been down there in quite a few years now. So I know she wants to go down. We'll see. If it was snowing, Maximus, how you doing? If it was snowing, if it snowed in the Filipinos would all make halo dessert with all that snow. You're right, and that's where it comes back to adapting and dealing with the situation, right? They will turn snow into pesos, right? United, COV, love all your videos. Thank you. 262 people in climbing. Hello from Orange County, California. Good morning, Jim. Yeah, watch out for that yellow snow. It's not pineapple juice. True. Your premium inspector. Good morning. Maluz, 1963. John says, I'll buy you a cup of coffee when you get here in Mindanao. Cool. Thank you. Daytona Beach, Norm Smith is in the house. I'm glad to see all my subscribers are joining the live chat. Mitch Bromwell, how is Mitch doing this morning? Thanks for stopping in. Greetings from Tuscan. Brent, good morning. James Gilbert, good morning from Laguna. All right, where'd the 10 visit? Can I visit you? Run 9, run G19. Um, I'm up here in Angeles City. I eat breakfast at Tequila Reef. Um, so yeah, you know where to find me. What part of Mindanao is Luzon, or what part of Mindanao is Lut from? She is from Sherigao City, up kind of up that way, a little bit down south. If I told you where she's from, you you would never hear it. Um, yeah, Bruce can eat. Um, all right, guys, let's get into this topic. The topic about the Filipina P and the raw facts, aka David. We'll get into that a little bit later. Um, how First of all, let me begin by saying I have the utmost respect for the Filipina P, for the Filipina P's channel, for the growth she's done, for the hard work she puts into her channel. I don't know all about the Filipino P, what's involved with her editing, with everything about her channel. However, she is doing the right thing. She has a channel that most people starting out would love to achieve, with numbers, with subscribers. Um, Me and myself, I'm like, God, I wish my channel was a monster like that. But then again, with a monster channel comes headaches. We deal with it. We have to deal with it. Some of the facts here about her channel. Um, right now, she has, according to uh, what I read, she has 265 uploads. That's not a lot to get a huge following like that, but she she's doing the right thing. I don't know, I have over 1,500 videos, and I'm not even near that. She has 172,000 subscribers. All right, I don't have that. I'm struggling, and I'm squeezing to get to that 100,000. Right, the amount of views. Now, guys, you got to understand, a little over 2 years ago was when she started her channel. And for a channel to do this well after a little over 2 years ago is amazing. All right. She has 24,759,859 views as of the last time I checked. Now, guys, I got her beat her on this one. I got her beat on this one. All right. I got her beat. The only thing I can say I got the P beat on is this one. I started in 2015, so I've 7 years I'm going at it. I have 38,114,766. So I got her beat on that one. But nah, I think she's doing an amazing job. I used to watch her when she first started out. I really don't watch her anymore. Not because I don't like her. It's just I there's no I don't like it. The channel doesn't interest me to watch all the time. If you understand what I'm saying, sort of like maybe my channel. Some people like certain things about my channel and what I do, and then there's some videos I put up they don't. Um, but much respect to her and her channel. I think she's doing an amazing job. So if you're here in the room, because I'm sure there's people here that they like to pee. They will defend her, and there's nothing wrong with that. I have subscribers that will defend me. If you're here thinking I'm going to bash the Filipina P, I'm not here to bash her. I'm here to praise her and her channel. Um, let's get on the other subject, the raw facts. All right. The Raw Facts is a channel. Go check it out. Let's 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 give him what he wants. He wants to be recognized. He wants people to acknowledge him and his channel. So, guys, I encourage you. to go over and check out his channel, see what his channel is back. Maybe you might like it. Maybe you might not like it. To each their own. I always said if you don't like a channel, just don't watch it. But what I've learned from this channel, this Raw Facts channel, is he loves to attack other vloggers. You know, he's gone after Dustin Backpack, Tim K. Now, these are guys that I really don't even watch, all right? He's gone after Old Dog New Tricks. He's gone after Every Man Has a Story. He's gone after Justin from Critter Hunter. He's gone after me. So many I can't even name. All right. And he just attacks. And one of the things he loves to say, shave your legs, Brian. One of the things he loves to say is, these people are e-beggars. They're e-begging. They're e-begging for money. What's an e-beggar? An e-beggar will get on a channel and basically, you know, send me money to help feed my cats. Send me money to help feed the dogs. And I always said, why would you get a house full of animals if you can't feed them and have to ask people to feed them? But I always look at it like this also. If you want to send a person money, that's up to you. That's up to you. I'm not here to tell you not to. I'm not here to tell you to. It's up to you. You know, you want to support the person's channel. You want to support what they do. You like what they do. Then that's up to you. Which leads me to my next point. People will put, and I'm talking big YouTube channels out there. You know, I watch some big YouTube channels out there that have nothing to do with the Philippines. They might be sailors, they might be campers, they might be hot rodders. And these are big channels. You know, hundreds of thousands of subscribers, thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of views. And they will always put and they will always link in their description, if you would like to support my channel more, here's my PayPal account, here's my Patreon account. You could show your appreciation that way. They do it all the time. Even the Filipina P does that. Filipina P, there's a box down below when you watch a video. It says show more. If you click on that, it drops down and it shows you what the video is about. Some people will put in affiliate links. Some people will put in their PayPal. They put in their Patreon, links to Facebook. Even the Filipina P does that. The Filipina P even will pin that in her comment box. In other words, when you go to the comment section, that's the first thing you see. I'm not going to quote it verbatim. Something to do with her videos are 100% for everybody to enjoy. I don't ask you for anything. However, if you like my channel, you want to support my channel further, here are the links to my PayPal and Patreon and other links to that. So everybody does it. Everybody does it. And it was funny because when I put this up, that I was doing this live stream, man, was I getting some emails. I was getting some people sending me stuff. And this Raw Facts actually did a video about the Filipina P. All right. Liked her channel, recommended her channel. Also recommended another channel that I checked out, and I'm like, I don't understand. Some of the channels that he likes, but that's his choice. But in the same sentence, in other videos, he claims that people that have PayPal and Patreon accounts are e-beggars. They're all e-beggars. So if everybody else is an e-beggar out there, according to you, because they have Patreon accounts and PayPal accounts, well, You're not saying she's an e-beggar, but you're saying everybody else is. It doesn't make sense to me. Maybe the guy has a secret love and a secret crush on her. I don't know. Maybe he wishes his channel was successful like that. I don't know. Like I said, go over. Matter of fact, let me put up his where is he? Ooh, let me put up his link. Oh, hang on. We gotta stop that right there. I'll put up the link to the one he did about me. Uh, hang on, let me kill that. Here we go. So I mean, I think the guy wants exposure. So let's everybody go over there. Everybody go over and check out his channel. Let him know what you think about his channel. Um, but like I said, I was getting all these messages and everything. Um, I think Brian Simpson really loves to pee. Nothing wrong with that. Um, I was getting, oh yeah. He even attacked Barry Jordan. Oh, little Barry Jordan. Some people don't like him. Some people. Barry Jordan has survived here in the Philippines for a long time. He's accused people of overstaying. This person's an overstayer. I have proof, but he never presents the proof. I have an email from the Bureau of Immigration that this guy was brought in and he's an overstayer and they finally got him. And I have an email. Well, throw your email out there. Back up what you're saying with the accusations and the things you're saying about other people. Simple as that. That's all people want. That's all people want. It's okay. You can talk about other people. No problem. That's your channel. That's what you want to do. That is how you want to run your channel. But back up what you're saying. Back up what you're saying. William Murphy, you've never heard of him. Well, you heard of him now. Go over and check out his channel. Let's give him the fame that he wants. This is what I know about this guy and just observing his content. And here's a funny thing. There's YouTubers out there that will go over to his channel, look at his channel to make sure he's not doing a negative vlog or a negative review about them. I find that funny. When he did it about me, I don't know. I just kind of laughed because it's I don't know. I don't know. Is it a comedy channel? I have, I have no facts. But anyways, I was given by very, very reputable vloggers here. And I'm talking guys that have a lot of subscribers, a lot of views. Their reputation is great. But what I know about the guy does not show his face, which tells you right away you're hiding something. What are you hiding? He claims, now, I don't know. Maybe he is. I don't know. He claims he's this very wealthy businessman. We don't know. We don't know. He goes into lobbies of hotels, like very upscale lobby hotels, like the Hilton or, of that nature. And it just shows the lobby. Never shows himself in the lobby, but shows the lobby. I can do that. You guys could do that. Go into a very upscale lobby here, hotel, and just film it. Make sure don't put yourself showing that you're actually in the lobby, but just film it. You can do that. And claims he stays there. I don't know. There's no proof that he's staying there. I can go up here on Clark, go into Hilton, go into all those really nice hotels because I've done it. I've walked in. Now, I didn't film because some of them are casinos. But I've I've walked into the lobbies. I could have broke out my camera and filmed inside the lobby. So that's not hard to do. Um, but he claims he's this very rich businessman, successful businessman. Here's my thing. Why would you create a channel if you're a successful businessman? And do you think your customers would appreciate how you talk and belittle and trash people? I've never met a businessman that does that. Trash or belittles other people. Um, he talks like he's from, say, like India or Pakistan, yet claims he's Filipino. I don't know. Who knows? Nobody knows. You can only go off of what people say they are, or you know how it is. Guys got, I've got 20 Harleys out in my garage, and they might know everything about Harleys, but they don't own a single Harley, but they can tell you that and make you believe that. Um, I even got, and I'm going to show it to you. All right. From what I'm told, from very, very reliable sources, and I won't give out these sources because there's other things pending going on. I was told the raw facts real name is David. David is his name. That's what I was told uh, from, like I said, a very, very reliable source. Let me show you a picture of David here. All right. I don't know how to bring it up on my thing here, but this, my friends, I was told this is David, aka the raw facts. Take a good look at it, from a very, very reliable source. All right. That's him. That's his photo. So I'm told, right? So I'm told. Take a good look at him. He is from Canada and he's Pakistani, from what I'm told. All right. If this is somebody else and I have you up here, I apologize to you, but it's a 50-50 shot that is David, aka the raw facts. Take a good look at it. The reason, would you show that face? No, I'm being mean. He doesn't show his face because of what he does. He roams around the Philippines, and people would recognize him. So, yeah, Mr. Bean. Come on, Jim. He roams around here, and he's not going to show his face on video because of how he acts and what he does. I have another picture. Let me show you. Here's another one. All right, I gotta make sure this is all right. Here's another one. This is the same gentleman, David. That's him. No, that's not aloe, guys. Trust me. He's not Pakistani. Okay. That's him also. It's another photo of him that I was given that claims that is him. One thing I must say, all right. We don't all know him, but those that are out there can remember years ago a guy named, what was his name now? Peter Van Dever. Peter Van Dever was here, and a different type of platform, but the same type of content that David, we're just going to call him David, did. Talk bad about people, talk bad about the Filipinos. But the one thing I always said about this man, Peter Van Dever, is he showed his face. He showed his face. He didn't make accusations and call people names and go after other channels. without showing his face. If you think about it, who hides their face? People that have something to hide. I'm sure he's going to say, "Oh, because of my business dealings, I can't show my." He will find a way around it, as he always does. Then you guys remember a couple years ago, and Andy Omar. All right, Andy Omar, same platform, same type of thing. Talked about people, whatever. That was his shtick. That was his thing. But Andy showed his face. They always showed their face. All right. This guy doesn't show his face. What does he have to hide? I don't know. Like I said, I encourage people to go over, check out his channel because that's what he wants. He wants fame. He wants notoriety. He wants to be known. Go over there, make your own decision. Here's the thing, guys. You can make all these accusations and you can call people out and you can discriminate against people and you can make false claims against people. YouTube allows channels out there that do that. It's just the way it is on YouTube. However, the wheels of justice here in the Philippines do turn slow. They turn slow. You can't keep doing this. You can't keep saying these ugly, nasty things without any type of consequences. It's just the way it is. Wheels turn slow here in the Philippines. Let me get a drink here. I'm talking too much. But I do encourage people to go over and check them out. Here's another thing. Claims he's very rich, very wealthy. I don't know. Maybe he is, maybe he isn't. Has the ability to fly here, fly there, travel here, go here, go here. He once made a claim in a video. I am more than happy to meet any vloggers that they can come, that we can sit down and we can discuss your channel and why I feel it's bad or why I feel this, or you can defend yourself to me. Here is my invitation to David, aka the Raw Facts. I accept your invitation. I accept the meeting that you put out there, that you're willing to meet everybody. I know you have a lot of money, a very wealthy, successful businessman, as you claim. I imagine you're still here in the Philippines since you just put up a video. You can fly into Clark. Fly into Clark anytime. Don't come up with the excuse, well, I got a schedule I got to follow. You're your own boss. You're a businessman. You can make your own schedule. You can make your own plan. So David, aka Raw Facts, fly into Clark because Clark's the closest. Then again, you have a lot of money. Maybe you can get a private jet or whatever. Fly into Clark. I'm sure you can probably afford to get a limousine or say a really nice car to drive you to no Bruce, ABC would be beneath him, not the ABC. We're talking, Hilton's, all those other very high class, very high end hotels up on Clark because that's where he stays. Go up there, book your room. You can send me an email. There are ways to get a hold of me, PhillyinthePhilippines@gmail.com. Let me know you're there. I will drop everything I'm doing. You can even say, hey, I just got here, middle of the night, whatever, I just got here, it's 2:00 in the morning. I just finished up going down Walking Street. No, wait, hang on. I better not say that. I will drop everything I'm doing. And I will come up and I will sit down with you and I will meet with you. Remember, you're the one that put it out there that you're willing to meet other channels that you feel you have an issue with and sit down, talk about it, and hash it out. I am willing to. You put it out there, so I'm happy. I'm happy. I would be honored to sit down and meet with you. Um, will he make a rebuttal video on me? He may. He may. Do I really care? No, I really don't care. Um, he will find ways around everything that people challenge him to. Um, that's just his. That's his mo. I guess I would, I don't know, respect or maybe kind of understand if he were just to come out and say, listen, this is what my channel is about. My channel is about attacking everybody. And, I do it for fun. I do it because, it gets me jollies. I don't know. Um, but like I said, and he claims he's got these people whispering in his ear all this stuff. You know, this person told me this. Man, some of the stuff that you're putting out there that these people are telling you, it's like, man, they'd be fired. They'd be down the road. But he has his own channel. He has his own followers, his own people, and I'm sure they're in here right now. So I want to welcome them in here. Maybe David's even in here, hiding in the background. I don't know, but I can guarantee you, his little followers are in here. They're getting all the scoop. They're probably recording this video. That's what they do. Uh, they're seeing what people's comments are. Um, that's what they do. Whatever. Um, so I guess I'm done rambling. I mean, I'm getting a lot of comments. Uh, Once again, let's make him famous like he wants to be. Um, let me throw up his channel. You guys can go over there and you can determine on your own what you think about it. Um, there it is. Scott P said, I didn't see anything about the P. Scott P, I have nothing bad to say about her. I don't know if you were here in the very beginning. Um, I was nothing bad to say about her. Respect her channel. She's doing an amazing job. Um, she knows how to run a channel. Nothing bad to say about her. But here's kind of what it is. This is what this raw facts do. They will take a well-known YouTuber, throw it up into his title, all right, to draw people over to that video to watch it. Oh, what's this person have to say about my favorite vlogger? That's what he does. That's his MO. All right. We're looking at the Filipina P, who is probably one of the most liked YouTubers here in the Philippines. Everybody likes her. Everybody respects her. Everybody enjoys her content. I can't say everybody. And then you're going the complete opposite. It's like going from heaven to hell. All right. Then you got this raw facts guy who's people just can't stomach him. All right. Not everybody. He does have his little followers. But when he had, go back, I'll quick say what I want to say, but go back and kind of, if you want to take time, go back and watch the video from the beginning. Um, this raw facts guy, aka David, or he had made statements about vloggers, and if we put PayPal and Patreon into our description, that we're automatically e-beggars, and we're the scum of the earth, and whatever. Um, the Filipino P does put links to her PayPal and links to her Patreon account, but everybody else is an e-beggar except for her. No, you don't want to come out and say it because you will get destroyed. You will get destroyed. Uh, but yeah, go back if you would like to. Ken and Subic, how are you doing, Ken? I always say you can tell a person character on YouTube by what they present. They present positivity. They present good vibes. You want to support them. You like their channel. Um, a person who's on like all the time, like me, I'm every day or every other day or so for years. You see what I'm about. If I'm a rotten, nasty person, you guys would have figured it out by now. Do I have bad days? Sure, I have bad days. Everybody has bad days. But you guys would have seen through me that I'm just a rotten, nasty, ugly person and I'm, putting on a show. Same way with the raw facts. You can kind of tell, how can you switch a button that quick from being a businessman, a respectable businessman, to talking proper and to talking and you know what I say? How can you switch a button that quick to being ugly and nasty? No, your true colors come out of who you really are on YouTube. They do. Like I said, remember, I just want everybody, maybe there's new people coming in here, and I want to show you guys a photo I was given, and I was told from a very reliable source, and I'm not going to disclose it because there's a lot of things going on that I don't want to talk about. But this is a picture of, I was told this is a picture of David, aka the Raw Facts, Pakistani from Canada, claims he's a Filipino. Now, does he look Filipino to you? To me, I maybe if I don't know, maybe facial recognition might be able to get that out there. But that's his photo, according to what I was told. BT and Betty, go check it out. Just go check it out. Let me know what you think. Just don't look at one video. You got to look at multiple videos to see where this guy is coming from. That's one right there. Let me try. Yeah. He even went after the Sunshine Shoulders guy. Here's the other one right here. Same guy. David, aka Raw Facts. Yeah, he went after Sunshine Shoulders. I don't really watch Calvin. Nothing against him. It's just there's nothing really that interests me in his channel. Nothing against the guy. But he even went after him, accused him of different things, even had people make false accusations against him. And made false accusations against him to where he had to go. What is it, the PNP or one of the organizations here in the Philippines, and had to go there and basically clear his name. And they even the authorities knew at the time. They're like, okay, we know this. Now they figured out these are false accusations, and they figured out they know. But that's what they do. It is what it is. So, anyways, let me see what's going on. 403 people here. Thank you, guys. Thank you for stopping in. I knew it was going to be a subject that people wanted to. Okay, you heard he had to go to the MBI. It was a subject that people want to. Here's the thing, and I've always said this too. As a YouTuber, you're always going to have people attack you. All right. It's just the way it is. I've had multiple channels that have come and gone and have said things about me. I blow it off, whatever. But you got to pick and choose. All right. If you attack everybody that made, everybody that commented about you or said something bad about you, that would be your channel then. Your channel will be based on the fact that you're an attack channel, trying to defend yourself and calling out names and calling out people. But you can pick and choose. I feel you can pick and choose who you want to Basically, defend yourself against. Defend yourself against lies and accusations. And I encourage other YouTubers out there that this guy has attacked and went after. I encourage you to make a video or talk about him. Let everybody know what this guy's about. Make him famous. He wants to be famous. Let's make him famous, right? Why not? That's what he's thriving for. All channels want to be famous. I don't say famous, but all channels want to succeed. They want to, you want to, you want your channel to succeed. You want to build your channel in a positive way. So I do. I encourage all those out there, Calvin and, and Old Dog and Dustin Backpack and all them other guys that he's attacked to. Yeah, put it out there. Put it out there. Do a short video on it. I encourage you to. Like I said, though, YouTube allows it. I mean, he's not breaking the YouTube laws, so I refuse to give him any cheap views. Understandable. Some people just don't. They figure, what, you're a POS. I'll let you be a POS. You know what I'm saying? It's up to you. All right. What's going on? I'm done rambling. I'm done talking. How's everybody doing? Like I said, I just wanted to put this out there. Once again, Filipina P. If you do watch this video, hey, I'm sure somebody has already notified her. Hey, Philly, put your name out there. I'm sure she'll get notified by somebody. No problem with you. I respect your channel. I think you're doing an amazing job. Only doing this for a little over 2 years. Lots of subscribers, lots of views. You're doing an amazing job. You've done it right. God, I was just thinking too. I know how much I make a year on YouTube, and it varies. It goes up and down and up and down. For the past 7 years, I was like, she probably making triple, if not 4 times more than I do. Good for her. You earned it. Take your paycheck. Take what you earn. You've earned it. And I know you're proud of your success on YouTube. I know you are. So I like Fari's Poppy and love his cook. Yes, he's got a good show. Show. Brian Simpson. Yeah, you're putting it out there. I think you might be her number one fan. Show your support for the P. Be becoming a peanut subscriber. Peanut subscriber. I'm sure everybody sitting in this room has heard of the Filipina P. If you haven't, you've been sitting in a closet and you haven't been watching too many. You haven't been watching enough of YouTube channels. I could give the link to her channel, but guys, just look at the Filipina P. The Filipina P. I don't know. Maybe there is no. Maybe there is. Oh, hang on. Maybe there is. Let me bring it up here. I don't know if. Like I said, I don't know if the people don't or never heard of her show, but I will turn around. There it is. There's the link to her channel. Like I said, it may not be for everybody, but she seems to have a great following, so she's doing something right. Subic Bay Johnny. Is Subic Bay Johnny here? Subic Bay Johnny, are you here? If you're here, Subic Bay Johnny, thanks for stopping into my room. Zubik Bay Johnny. He may be. There's a lot of people that just stop in and they hide, or they don't want to really comment or talk, and that's fine. That's fine. So, all right, guys, I'm going to wrap this one up. Thanks for stopping in. Thanks for listening to me. Once again, David, Rolfax, Clark. Um, you can choose whichever upscale hotel that you like to stay in up there, and send me a text. Let me know when we can meet. Be happy to talk to you. You have said that you have no problem talking to other people, other channels that they can clear up their name with you. I'm here to do that. Send me the mail. Send me an email, please, please, please. So, all right, guys, I am going to wrap this one up. Thanks for stopping in. Thanks for supporting the channel. Appreciate it. 7 years, going on 7 years. Just cracked 97,000. I need another 2,000 more. 3,000 more to get the silver button. So, all right, guys, thanks, and we'll talk to you later.